Welcome back to Dre's Media Corner. As you know, if you watch some of my videos, I have a brand new pair of SVS PB 4000 subwoofers. I've been having a tough time trying to tame these beasts, but I figured out I may need to get some isolation pads. So that's just what I did. So I'm in the process of putting these isolation pads in place, and I will give you guys another music test later on to see how they work out. Okay, here's the box that the SVS subwoofer, I can say SVS sound pad isolation pads come in. I have the 4-box here. I didn't realize I actually had 6 feet underneath my under my subs, but I think the 4 was sufficient. Mine sits on carpet, so I think that's what the main thing was. I was getting a lot of rattle in my family room from all the additional things that are there. On shelves and so forth, so I'm trying to minimize that and be able to use these subwoofers as intended. Right now I have to have them set at a -20. That's double the level as far as the negative factor that they come from the factory. But like I said, I'm putting these in right now. I'm not going to go through the whole thing because there's other YouTube videos out there that shows installation, which is a no-brainer. They give you 3 sets of screws to match up with the hole patterns that you have on your existing sub. And you just screw these in, take out the regular feet and screw these in. So I'll talk to you later.